All right, guys, we're going to talk about multiplying fractions. I love multiplying fractions because this is the easiest thing we do with fractions. The rule that we learned in class is top times top, bottom times bottom. So you are just going to multiply straight across. When I'm solving these problems, I like to draw these arrows just so that I remember the steps and I don't mess anything up. So I have 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 2 is 8. And that cannot be simplified, so 7/8 is my final answer. Now let's look at this next example right here. I have 5 times 3/5. Remember, if you have a whole number, you can change that into a fraction by putting it over 1. Remember, that whole number has to be the numerator and the denominator has to be 1. I'm going to multiply by 3/5. So top times top. 5 times 3 is 15. Bottom times bottom. 1 times 5 is 5. And when I look at this answer, I can see that they have something in common. I know that 15 is part of the 5's family. I can divide both of those by 5. So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now, remember we said anytime you have a whole number, you can just put that whole number over 1, and that makes it a fraction. So if I look at this, I have a 3 as my numerator and 1 as my denominator. So I can write this as 3 over 1, or I can write this as 3. They're the same answer. And that is multiplying fractions.